Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is December 20th. This is our Christmas and holiday episode, so we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
This is a little series where we like to show you the Friday newsletter and then go out and show you everything in person, hands-on. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Of course, let's start off with the Friday bundle of the week, which is the old-fashioned Christmas flannel Friday bundle. This is from the designer flannel from Riley Blake. It is 6 pieces of fabric. The patterns are Santa heads, Christmas treats, and checks. Colors of red, green, and white. So make sure to get cozy with the old-fashioned Christmas flannel Friday bundle.
Next up, we have the Lone Wolf from Northcott. With this, we have the Full Yard collection. We also have 24-inch panels. We have the In the Wild quilt kits and the Farmer's quilt kits. I do know that In the Wild kits are currently sold out, but we are restocking them, which those will be available in 2 weeks. So if you are looking for one of those kits, you can keep an eye out. This is a very foresty kind of group with some wolves around it. So you can expect patterns of wolves, trees, and texture prints and colors of blue, green, and white. If this collection interests you, make sure to go take a walk on the wild side with Lone Wolf.
Next collection we have is from Moda, is Play Ball. We have the full collection of yardage and also the 110% kits. This is a baseball and football themed collection. The patterns are patchwork prints, touchdowns, field goals, home runs, baseballs, hot dogs, and stars in colors of red, white, and blue. So kind of patriotic as well if you need that for a certain project you're working on. So make sure to score a home run with Play Ball from Moda.
Next up, we have Take Heart from Riley Blake. With this, we have the Full Yard collection. We also have 24-inch panels, 36-inch panels, fat quarter bundles, and 10-inch stackers. This is a very Valentine's Day forward group. I know we're kind of in the other holidays, but you know, gotta go to the next thing. Yeah, like I said, it's very Valentine's forward, so you can expect things such as Valentine cards, tally cards, frame blenders, florals, small hearts, love scripture, stripes, and heart crosses, all in color schemes of red, pink, aqua, black, and white. Make sure to fall in love with Take Heart.
Next collection we have for y'all is another one from Riley Blake. It is the Outer Space collection. This is also licensed by NASA themselves. So that's pretty cool. We have the full collection of yardage in this collection, as well as the fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, the rocket quilt kits, and the solar system wall hanging kits, which are very, very cool looking. We have patterns such as space suits, planets, moon boots, rocket math, constellations, and the NASA logo in colors of blue, red, yellow, white, gray, and black. So make sure to explore the unknown with Outer Space from Riley Blake.
Next up, I want to highlight a sale on a tree skirt kit we have. This is the Holiday Ribbon Tree Skirt Kit. Normally it is priced at $58.96, but we have it on sale for $39.96. So if you're needing any tree skirt for your tree, make sure to get your Christmas tree cozy with this tremendous deal.
Next collection we have for y'all is a batik collection from Wilmington, is the Starlight Batiks. This is assorted yardage we have available, along with 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, and the Starlight quilt kits. The patterns for this collection are daisies, circle dots, flower petals, leaves, paisley, and cheetah prints. The colors for this collection are gray, blue, cream, black, and tan, so make sure to create something out of this world with Starlight Batiks.
Next up we have, I had a voice crack there. Next up, we have another brick in the wall from Blank Quilting. With that, we have the Full Yard collection. We have the 24-inch panels, and we also have the Construction Zone quilt kits. As you can sort of expect, it's very construction forward, so you can expect things of a bunch of different construction vehicles with tires, cones, bricks, road signs. There's a border stripe, and there's also a gingham print, and this is all in color schemes of orange, yellow, teal, cream, gray, and black. So if you want any cool looking construction themed projects coming up, make sure to go construct your quilts with another brick in the wall.
Of course, we have our December bargains. This could be featuring a bunch of different type of products we have on our website, but more specifically remnants, discounted yardage, pre-cuts, anything like that, certain other notions. Who knows what else could be on there, to be honest. But we want to make sure to let y'all know to check it daily because we update it daily. So make sure to look on there and see what kind of deal you could find.
Next up, we want to get into our comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from one of y'all from our last week's video. So this week we're going to pull from YouTube. It is Barbara H2281, where she said, Please do the 1-year recap video. Great idea. Thanks for another great video of store products. So obviously with your 1-year recap video idea, I do think we might try to do something for that. So you can expect to see something like that in the next who knows how long. And on that note, I wondered if there's any particular moments you wanted to see in that video maybe. If y'all have any opinions or anything, make sure to drop a comment down below and we will read that.
You know, and a funny moment I think of is whenever we had Justin on the show for an episode and he was having to read the Winnie the Pooh collection from Riley Blake, and he didn't know any of the characters from Winnie the Pooh, and he said Conga instead of Kanga, and he didn't understand what their names were, and it was very, very funny.
But with that being said, I think that's going to do it this week for this episode. So once again, I want to wish y'all a happy holidays and Merry Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. You can hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. Make sure to drop that comment down below so you might be able to get featured on the next comment of the week. Make sure to go follow us on all of our socials. So that's TikTok, that's Facebook, that's Instagram, that's YouTube. Once again, I want to wish you all happy holidays and thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
See ya.